Now, as we speak, the Reggae Boyz World Cup qualifying campaign is grinding to a painful halt. And the question is, should the JFF appoint interim coach Paul Hall on a permanent basis, or should they look elsewhere? As usual, the Maverick been coming under pressure for my honest opinion that the performances and the results have not improved since Hall took over the team. Coach Hall is inexperienced at this level, and his naivety is evident. He's obviously learning on the job. And do we want to put the future of our senior Reggae Boyz football program into the hands of a rookie part-time coach living in England, and who we understand is still employed as an academy coach at a lower tier team, Queen's Park Rangers? When we say these things, people say we must give the coach a chance and it's too early to judge him and blah, blah, blah. I beg to differ. Football is still a results business. Plus, Paul Hall remains an interim coach hired to improve the results of the team. And so far, that is not happening. Now, it is totally up to the JFF Technical Committee to hire or not to hire Paul Hall. But either way, the Maverick will be here to offer balanced and honest analysis of this crisis.